morning. I'm so sleepy. I got up at 5, but currently it's like 5:23, and I have to leave the house at 6:10 to go to the gym. I don't know why I'm waking up, but I just have to wake up. My God. Hey guys, good morning. Today is Monday, and I'm going to the gym right now. And I'm going to be hitting leg today, so let's go to the gym together. Hey guys, so I'm looking out for this trade on BTC. I'm looking out for a buy, a 1:2.6. Normally I can get like a 1:3 somewhere here, right? But the moment I get a 1:2 here, a 1:2 here, I'm going to break even, and this is going to be like the final TP. So let me explain the psychology behind this trade. And I know that this trade is going to literally tap me in. Let me explain why. When you go to the 4 hours, you're going to notice that BTC has been selling. I actually saw this sell, but I didn't place it. Like, I saw the sell. I'm going to show you guys somewhere. Now let's take this. No, if I look very well, price swept a previous liquidity point. Like, it took it took out this liquidity zone here, this one, right? Then it created a turtle soup, or let's say CRT pattern. I want to see a CRT pattern. Now that I saw the CRT pattern here, we are going to call that CRT. There's this CRT pattern. This is our CRT low, and this is our CRT high here. Now we are going to look for, this is CRT high here. We are going to look for 50% of this range, and for us to get 50% of this range, we are going to use our Fibonacci from here to all the way here. Our 50% is literally the middle of this pattern. So I guess my entry is somewhere here to this 50%, and my stop loss is below this candle that created the CRT pattern. So I'm waiting for this to play out, and I'm going to give you guys. Okay, now let's talk about my entry. For my entry, what did I see? There is this liquidity sweep down here, as people call it, turtle soup. I call it liquidity sweep because turtle soup basically means liquidity sweep. Now there was a change of character before, somewhere here, right? There is this change of character here, and now we have this breakup structure right here, and there is this breakup structure here. There is a fair value gap seated somewhere. Let's bring out the fair value gap. This is my fair value gap here. So I want price to tap me in there, and stop loss should be somewhere here. So we are targeting a 1:3 overall, but a minimum is a 1:2. So my 1:3 should be somewhere here. So that is it. I want to see how this trade is going to play out. Then I'm going to give you guys an update immediately it plays out the way I want it to play out. So bye. So hey guys, the trade that I took, the trade that I took on BTC hit stop loss. How do I feel? Nothing. I'm not going to lie. I feel nothing. Sorry that I'm looking left, right, center. But I'm noticing one thing, guys. We can literally do anything. Nobody cares. Nobody's looking at you. Like, I used to feel like if I record walking on the road, people are going to look at me like I'm weird. But nobody cares. But I hit stop loss, and it's fine. So first day, first stop loss. See you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. I'm just coming back from the gym. Today's Tuesday, and I feel so tired. I don't know. I have not been actually taking trade. Well, I've said this a lot already, but I'm seeing the trade currently on Euro USD, and the trade is now playing so well. The reason why I'm tired, I cannot say, because I've been very consistent with the gym, consistent with trading. A day does not pass by without me sitting on the chart to even look at what is happening, no matter how busy my day gets. And I have this strong feeling that I'm so close to becoming that successful trader that I've always wanted to be. Though it's, I don't know. I don't want to say too much. Let's go to the chart. And whatever I'm feeling right now, it's normal. I'm human, and I'm going to be fine at the end of the day. It's just an emotion, and I'm trying to understand exactly what is going on and why I'm feeling the way I'm feeling right now. So basically, that is it. Let's go to the chart. So this is the trade. I saw this currently price quoted the CRT. Let's go to the 4 hours because I'll trade the 4 hours on the 15 minutes. Price has been on this level for a while. This is your USD. I had this CRT here, right? So target 1 is here, this high, and target 2 is all the way up. Now let's go to the 15 minutes time frame, and we are going to see what I saw together. On the 15 minutes, I needed to see some sort of like a liquidity sweep, which the market gave it here, a change of character. Then there's this fair value gap, price tapped into it, and now it's moving to the upside. So I said my target 1 was the high of the CRT candlestick. So let me print the high, the first TP. This is the first TP here, right? This is the first TP. Now that is our first TP, we are close to our first TP. Let's see how that first, because this overall is giving us a 1:7. Hit stop loss, and I think I've had another entry. So for this entry, I'm still waiting to see how it's going to go. So I'll be back. So this is the second entry that I got. It gave me a 1:2. My 1:2 was this line here. It gave me a 1:2, and the reverse, it took me out at break even. And currently the trade is still working, but I'm expecting a buy up to this level here. But right now I can no longer take the trade because this first one gave me a stop loss, and this one gave me 1:2. But we ended here with a 1:2 basically, so there was no loss today. I can say that today I had a winning trade. So yesterday was a losing trade, and today is a winning trade, and today is Tuesday. So we are going to see how Wednesday and Thursday are going to look like. So sure that I'll be trading on Wednesday because Wednesday is a very busy day for me. I have to go out early in the morning. I don't know at what time I'm going to be back. So there are all these things involved, right? But what I can say is that the trade that I took yesterday did not really make me feel bad. But to be very honest, the first trade that I took today on Euro USD made me feel bad because when I'm looking at this trade on Euro USD, I saw everything that I needed to see, right? The market has gotten to a valid point of interest on the 4 hours, and it created a turtle soup, which is something that I want to see. Now, one thing with my turtle soup is that when I'm looking back, I see that there was a 4 hours fair value gap that price tapped into another turtle soup there. So I don't really understand what is happening with Euro USD, but I'm going to say that maybe it's because it's the end of the year, so there's really no much movement in the market like that. However, I will say that I am glad that I am no longer feeling, maybe it's because there's no money involved, but one thing that I'm getting out of this experience is that I am learning to trust my strategy. I am learning to believe in my strategy. I am learning to be patient with my strategy to the point that when I don't see anything that I want to see, I don't take the trade, basically, or I don't feel like it was a good trade. So there's this trade that I miss on BTC, and it's okay because, well, it's just okay. So basically, that is how the day has been, and we are going to see if you're going to trade tomorrow or not. But thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.